May I only assume that, well, let me congratulate you first on the launch of the phase 4 of the Pasig River Promenade project.
That's the president's project. No,
I
it's president.
attended yesterday and I'm very excited about it. When 2 years ago, and it's almost exactly 2 years when I arrived to Manila, we were looking with my wife for destinations where to go for a walk. And we saw that on the map there was a promenade along the river, and I'm talking about Poblacion and the area near BGC. So we went down only to find out that the promenade is closed to public and it's guarded by police and it's not accessible. And we were quite disappointed and felt sorry. So when I found out about this project, I found it really, really exciting.